Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a comparison between this new Louis Vuitton embossed Taurillon leather as well as this card holder right here that's made up of an Empreinte leather. So I was a little bit intrigued with this one right here, with this Taurillon leather, because as soon as I saw it, I was totally I totally fell in love with it and how beautiful it is. This one is actually, as you guys can see right there, the Taurillon leather is actually really soft and supple, and this one is embossed. The monogram and the Louis Vuitton initials right there were embossed, and as you looked at it, it is on point. Though the initials right there, the sharp edges and everything, it's on point. The flowers right there, it's like it is beautiful. I think this one is beautiful, and I believe this is the first time that Louis Vuitton actually did embossed a leather that's made up of a Taurillon, if I am not mistaken. I'm actually not 100% sure. I just go by with my memory or something, and I always try to keep updated with all the new leathers that Louis Vuitton has. And I really think that the Taurillon leather with the embossing right there is perfect. I really do think it looks so gorgeous. It is stunning, and wow, I totally love it. As far as having this envelope card de visite, this one is also nice, but the stamping is not as crisp and not as, I would say, on point compared to the Taurillon leather. The Taurillon leather is so distinctive, it is so precise, it is so, how do you call that? You could literally, you don't need to get so close to it to be able to appreciate and see the stamping, the debossing, what I meant. So this one, you could feel it, but not as good as the Taurillon. The Taurillon is so much better, to be honest with you guys, compared with the Empreinte. The Empreinte is stiffer, whereas the Taurillon is really soft and supple. It just makes it feel and look luxurious. So here's the comparison between the two together. Let me give you a closer look with the debossing right here. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit strange that I got a little bit confused with the debossing, the embossing, because on the website they actually says that they're embossed, but literally this one were debossed actually, because you can actually, it was stamped, heat stamp, deep stamp into the leather. So I was just really trying to correct myself, and I apologize if you guys were also confused. If I use debossed and embossed, it's a little bit confusing sometimes, but I know this is debossed. And then the embossed is more likely, it's actually, how do you call that? The embossing seems to be a little bit more like raised stamping. So right here, this is the comparison. The Taurillon leather is, you could literally, you could see right away how deep the debossing is, the stamping. I mean, I totally love it. I just got it yesterday. I was so excited. I mean, this is not mine actually. I was still waiting for the pocket organizer. And oh my gosh, I mean, right away I couldn't help myself but compare it to an Empreinte leather, because I love Empreinte leather. I really love the stamping, the monogram stamping. And right now, when I saw the Taurillon, it was like, it's even better. I think that Louis Vuitton, probably sooner, they are going to release a lot more of this debossed monogram that is made up of Taurillon leather, and that is awesome. It just makes it even feel more like a luxurious piece, and I truly love it and appreciate its beauty. So anyway, that is just a short comparison between these two together. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.